Hi, this is Abdel Carfix, and today I want to talk about this 2008 Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe. It's the 6.0 liter engine hybrid, and there's a problem with number one cylinder misfire. Number one cylinder misfire on this vehicle, and I find the problem. There's a service bulletin about it. It says if the bore cylinder is broken, then replace the plug, which in this case, what I notice, no oil deposit. They say if it's full of oil, there could be other stuff going on with that cylinder, but if it's this is the one right here, as you see, the bore cylinder is broken. There's some oil deposit, but not that bad really. But you can see the difference between this one, let's say, and cylinder number 2, for example. See the bore cylinder up there? See, that's what they're talking about. They say if it's broken, replace it. The spark plug, if it's not and full of oil, then it might be the cam lube. It might be one of the intake seals. It could be a lot of stuff going on. It could be the also the engine, the piston rings. Could be a lot of stuff like that. But one thing I want to mention is replace the plug, at least replace the plug with a new one, and see how that goes. That might fix the problem since it's a broken. And if you look at the service bulletin, it tells you that if it's a broken, replace it and test drive the vehicle. Well, that's what we're going to do today and see if that's going to solve the issue with this vehicle. Thank you for watching my videos, and I hope you subscribe to my channel to bring more videos to you, help you out fixing your vehicles.